Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring the microphone remote is active. Press and hold the mic button briefly to wake it. Once done, make sure the set-top box is powered and connected to your home network. Voice requires internet access. You should also be logged into your Jio account so personalization works. Now stand within a few feet of the remote, point it toward the box, and get ready to speak a clear command. This establishes the basic link between your voice and the box. You press and hold the microphone button and state your command. For example, say open YouTube or search for cricket highlights. The system converts speech to text and maps it to actions. That's why you should use concise, natural phrases. If the box picks the wrong result, release the button and repeat more slowly or shorten the phrase because clarity reduces errors. Also, make sure background noise is low. Once the command succeeds, the screen will show the recognized text. You finish by confirming the action the set-top box took and using the directional buttons when a selection requires more input. If voice stops responding, reboot the box first. This resolves temporary software glitches. Make sure the remote is paired and its batteries are fresh, because weak power causes dropouts. If problems persist, test internet speed and switch to Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi issues. Doing these steps isolates whether the problem is network, remote hardware, or box software.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.